Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will be adding the mission sound effect. Alright, for that go ahead and download this audio file and then drag and drop it inside your project right here in the game folder, and when you add it you can click on audio right here. This is the footstep sound, then this is the mission voice which we will play at the start, and then this one will be played when the boss character dies, and then this is the player gun, and this is I think the reloading sound. Alright, and guys, let me tell you that these mission sounds, the mission voice and the mission voice end, I've created this voice on this website called TTS maker. Right here you can type your own mission text, okay, explain that whole mission in the voice, and then you can select any of the character from here and then click on convert to speech while you add this captcha code right here. And when you do that you can then download that audio file. Alright, so you can do it from there if you are creating some other type of mission. Okay, since these mission voices are for my mission, so I'm gonna use these two. Alright, so let's first of all play this first one when the game starts. Alright, so on the cutscene controller, what we're gonna do right here is we're gonna add a reference to a audio source, name it as audio source. Then after this we're gonna make a reference to the audio clip which is our mission sound, and let's name this as start sound. Alright, then in the start method right here we're gonna play the sound. So first of all we're gonna check if the audio source is not equals to null. It means that we have the audio source and we have the start sound. Alright, if they both are not null, then in that case we're gonna say audio source dot clip equals to start sound, and then audio source dot play. That is all you have to do for playing this sound. Now you can save the script and get back right here, click on cutscene. In here we need to provide the audio source, so the audio source will be the player audio source. So right here let me add a audio source on the player game object. Alright, when you add this audio source, make the sound 3D and the volume should be full. Remove this play on awake from there, then click on cutscene, drag and drop the player in there, and it will automatically select the audio source component, and then drag and drop the mission voice right in there. Alright, now let's play the game and see if it plays the sound or not.
Listen up, Agent 47. Your next target is not just another contract, it's a reckoning. You're going at
It is playing the sound, but it is really slow since the audio listener is right here. I mean the audio source is right here. Alright, so that's why it is really slow. Let me select the environment, okay, the whole environment, and let me add an audio source to it. And when you add an audio source to it, make sure that it is 2D and its volume is full. Then click on cutscene and drag and drop the environment in there, and it will select the audio source from there. Okay, then let's go ahead and play it.
Listen up, Agent 47. Your next target is not just another contract, it's a reckoning. You're going after Marco Santini, the ruthless mafia boss who has terrorized the streets of Verona for far too long. His hands are stained with the blood of over 100 innocent souls, each one a testament to his brutality. Today, Santini is attending a church service, seeking to cloak his sins in the sanctuary's false sense of redemption. But justice cannot be escaped. This mission is more than an assignment, it's a crusade. Infiltrate the church.
Alright, so as you know that the voice was really
This
large, I mean it was really lengthy, but our animations were small, so that's why we need to increase our animation length. Alright, so let's select the first one, click on its animation. Alright, as you can see here it is. So let's make this one as 15 seconds, and then let's select this third camera, and it will automatically select the animation, and let's make this one as 15 as well, and select the fourth one and make the fourth one as, let's just say, 6 or 7 seconds. Alright, now let's test it out.
Listen up, Agent 47. Your next target is not just another contract, it's a reckoning. You're going after Marco Santini, the ruthless mafia boss who has terrorized the streets of Verona for far too long. His hands are stained with the blood of over 100 innocent souls, each one a testament to his brutality. Today, Santini is attending a church service, seeking to cloak his sins in the sanctuary's false sense of redemption. But justice cannot be escaped. This mission is more than an assignment, it's a crusade. Infiltrate the church, navigate through the crowd, and deliver divine retribution. Remember, this is about more than just eliminating a target. It's about restoring peace and delivering justice for those who can no longer.
Alright, so it was still a little bit shorter, okay, the animations. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna select the fourth camera, click on animation again, and let's make this 10 seconds. Select the third one, it is already 15. Let's select the second one, and let's make this 12 seconds. And now I think it's gonna work perfectly fine. Okay, let me play the animation, and I will show you the animation at the end.
Deliver divine retribution. Remember, this is about more than just eliminating a target. It's about restoring peace and delivering justice for those who can no longer speak for themselves. Good luck, and Godspeed.
Alright, so as you can see, these settings were perfect for this. As you can see, the animation and the audio source finishes at the same time. So now our starting cutscene is working perfectly fine, and now we need to add the ending audio. Alright, so for the ending audio, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the boss script right here. Okay, and as you can see, we're gonna play the ending voice sound right here. So right here we can do the same thing as we did on the cutscene. So let me copy this two references from here, click on boss script, and right here let's paste it. This time name this as end sound. Then click on this again. From here copy this whole if condition and click on boss, and right here in the character die, right after this comment, paste it. So if the audio source and the end sound is not null, then the audio source dot clip will be the end sound, and then we're gonna say audio source dot play. That is all we have to do for this ending. Now you can click on boss, and right here this time we're gonna drag and drop the player audio source. Alright, because the player will be closer to the boss, and through the player audio source we want to play this audio. Alright, then click on audio and drag and drop this mission voice end right there. And now I'm gonna play the game and kill the boss, and then I will show you the ending sound. Alright, so here we are. Now let's go ahead and kill this boss. Okay, we are hitting the boss. For now we don't have any effects, but as you can see, the boss character dies and it didn't play the sound effect. Let's click on guard, then boss, click on player. As you can see, mission voice end is attached to this audio clip, but it is not playing for some reason. So the reason it was not playing the sound is because if you check all of these cameras, to them the audio listener component is added. Alright, let's remove this audio listener component from there. Okay, and the reason it was not playing is because there were no audio listener in the environment, because we deactivate these cameras, and with this the audio listener get deactivated as well. So that's why it was not playing that. So right here on click on the environment, as you can see we added the audio source. Let's also add an audio listener to this environment as well. Okay, so in this whole game we will just have one audio listener, and now we can test this out again. Actually, before testing it, make sure that you remove this audio listener from here. From the environment, I've added it by mistake right here. You need to add the audio listener right here to the player camera. Okay, and also make sure that you select all of these four cameras and add audio listener to them. Okay, by mistake I removed the audio listener from these cameras. Okay, so you just have to add an audio source to the player main camera and the cutscene cameras. That is all you have to do. Alright, and when you do that, then let's go ahead and test it out. Alright, let's open up the gate. Let's enter. And now let's go ahead and kill this boss character.
Well done, Agent 47. Now find a way to evacuate from there.
As you can see, it plays the sound, and now we are good to go. So now we can escape from here to wherever we want to go. That's it. So the start and end sound is playing perfectly fine. Now with our cutscene thing added, now in the next video we're gonna add the shooting effects and also the blood effect and footstep sounds and everything. Okay, in the next section we're gonna do that, and then in the last section we're gonna add our main menu and set up this whole game. So with this done, see you guys in the next one.